Have you ever dreamed of becoming an astronaut, drifting through the cosmos and witnessing the beauty of the universe firsthand? For as long as mankind has lifted their eyes to the heavens, the dream of space travel has captivated our collective imagination. The concept of venturing into the cosmos, exploring the unknown and pushing the boundaries of our knowledge has always been an irresistible allure. The early days of space exploration were a time of awe and wonder, a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of discovery. The first rocket launches, the maiden voyages into the unknown, and the initial steps on the moon. These were monumental moments etched into our history, forever changing our perception of the universe and our place within it. In those days, space was a realm accessible only to a select few, highly trained astronauts who were the epitome of courage, intellect, and physical prowess. These brave souls were our emissaries to the cosmos, venturing into the vast expanse of space on our behalf, bringing back stories of the final frontier that seemed almost mythical in their grandeur. Yet even as we marveled at their feats, the dream of space travel remained a distant fantasy for the majority of us. It was a dream nurtured by science fiction novels, brought to life in films, and echoed in the starry-eyed gaze of children looking up at the night sky. It was a dream that seemed tantalizingly out of reach, yet one that never ceased to inspire. This fascination with space travel has shaped the world we live in today. It has driven scientific advancements, spurred technological innovations, and pushed us to question and explore the unknown. It's a dream that has transcended generations, cultures, and borders, a universally shared aspiration that speaks to the very core of human curiosity and our innate desire to explore. The dream of space exploration was once exclusive to a select few, but times are changing. As we stand on the precipice of a new era, the dream of touching the stars is becoming a tangible reality for more than just the chosen few. And that, my friends, is a truly thrilling prospect. The dawn of the 21st century marked a turning point in our quest to conquer the stars. It was a time when the impossible became possible, and the unattainable became within our reach. The birth of space tourism was upon us, and it all started with one man, Dennis Tito. Before the year 2001, space was the exclusive domain of trained astronauts and the occasional satellite. But that year, Dennis Tito, an American entrepreneur, changed the game. He became the first space tourist, boldly going where no civilian had gone before. His journey to the International Space Station was facilitated by Space Adventures, a company that dared to dream bigger than anyone else at the time. Tito's 8-day expedition was more than just a personal accomplishment or a thrilling adventure. It was a statement to the world, a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. It proved that space was no longer just for astronauts, but for anyone with the dream and the means to reach for the stars. Imagine the thrill of looking down at Earth from above, seeing the continents and oceans spread out like a giant tapestry. Imagine the silence, the tranquility, the sheer awe of being in space. That's what Dennis Tito experienced, and his journey paved the way for others to follow. This was a significant moment, not just for Tito, but for all of humanity. It signaled the dawn of a new era, where space was no longer the final frontier, but a new tourist destination. This was the start of something bigger than any of us could have imagined. In the years that followed, more civilians ventured into space, each journey further solidifying space tourism's place in our society. The dream of space travel was no longer confined to science fiction. It was real, it was happening, and it was only just beginning. With that first civilian journey into space, the floodgates were opened, the dawn of space tourism had arrived, and with it, the promise of a future where everyone could have a chance to touch the stars. In the years that followed, advancements in technology and science have brought us closer to the stars. The promise of human space travel, once the stuff of science fiction, is becoming a tangible reality. A new era has dawned, one where the cosmos is not just for astronauts, but for the everyday adventurer. Leading the charge are pioneering companies like Virgin Galactic, SpaceX, and Blue Origin. Their mission? To make space travel more accessible, more affordable, and more awe-inspiring than ever before. Each is making strides in their own unique way, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of space tourism. Virgin Galactic, under the leadership of Sir Richard Branson, is pioneering commercial space flights for private individuals. Their spacecraft, the VSS Unity, has already reached the edge of space, demonstrating the potential for commercial space travel. Branson himself was one of the first passengers, marking a significant milestone in the history of space tourism. Meanwhile, Elon Musk's SpaceX is focusing on interplanetary travel. Their Starship, which is currently in development, aims to transport up to 100 people to destinations like the Moon and even Mars. The company's vision extends beyond mere tourism, with plans to establish human colonies on other planets. Not to be outdone, Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin is also making waves with their reusable New Shepard rocket. Designed to carry 6 passengers on suborbital space flights, New Shepard offers a thrilling, albeit brief, journey to the edge of space. The company has already successfully carried out several crewed and uncrewed flights, underscoring the viability of their technology. These companies are not just sending rockets into space, they are launching a new era of exploration and discovery. Every successful launch, every milestone reached, brings us one step closer to a future where space tourism is commonplace. The stars are no longer out of reach. They're becoming a bona fide tourist destination. The cosmos, once the exclusive domain of astronauts and space agencies, is opening up to us all. It's an exciting time to be alive, one where the final frontier is just beginning to reveal its secrets. But what does the future hold for space tourism? As we look ahead, the prospects are truly tantalizing. Space tourism is on the brink of becoming a reality for more than just a handful of wealthy individuals. As technology advances and prices continue to fall, the dream of exploring the cosmos could well become accessible to ordinary people. Imagine an era where boarding a spacecraft is as commonplace as catching a flight to another country. The advent of reusable rockets and the continuous reductions in launch costs are making this scenario more plausible with every passing day. But of course, there are challenges to overcome. The environmental impact of rocket launches is a significant concern. Companies are already researching more environmentally friendly propulsion methods, and hopefully we'll see these developments come to fruition in the near future. The safety of passengers is another paramount issue. As we've seen in the past, space travel is inherently risky. However, with every launch, we're gaining invaluable knowledge and experience to make future journeys safer. Moreover, the societal implications of space tourism are profound. As space becomes more accessible, we'll need to grapple with questions of space law, ethics, and even the potential for space colonization. And let's not forget about the economic implications. The space tourism industry could potentially generate billions in revenue and create thousands of jobs, from engineers and astronauts to hospitality workers in space hotels. This isn't just about the thrill of space travel, it's about sparking a whole new era of economic growth. In terms of predictions, some experts believe we could see the first space tourists embarking on their journey within the next decade. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are all vying to be the first to offer regular commercial flights to space. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, the possibilities seem endless. The sky is no longer the limit. In fact, there is no limit. The future of space tourism is bright, and we can't wait to see where it takes us. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, the possibilities seem endless. So, is everyone going to be an astronaut? As we've journeyed through the cosmos of this discussion, we've seen how the dream of space travel has morphed from an exclusive privilege into a burgeoning industry for the everyday explorer. We've traced the dawn of space tourism from its first hesitant steps to the confident strides it's making today. We've marveled at the advancements in technology that have made this possible. The reusable rockets, the space hotels, the suborbital flights, each a testament to human ingenuity and our unquenchable thirst for discovery. We've glimpsed a future where space tourism isn't just a novelty, but a norm. An era where the stars are no longer just pinpricks of light in the night sky, but destinations waiting to be explored. But where does that leave us, the dreamers, the would-be astronauts? We stand at the precipice of a new era, where the final frontier is no longer so final, where we can aspire to do more than just dream of the stars, but to visit them. The implications of this shift are as vast as space itself. What does it mean for us as a society when the cosmos is no longer a mystery but a tourist destination? How will our perspective change when we can look down at our planet from above, see its fragility and beauty in a way few have before? These are questions we'll grapple with as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. In the end, Space tourism is more than just a thrilling adventure. It's a testament to our capacity for exploration, for pushing beyond our comfort zones and venturing into the unknown. It's a reminder of our place in the universe, a humbling and awe-inspiring perspective that can only be gained from stepping off our home planet and into the cosmos. Perhaps the question isn't if we will all become astronauts, but when. And as we gaze up at the night sky, we can't help but wonder, when will it be our turn to touch the stars?